Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gamma AI to make presentations. So first of all, head over to your browser, type in Gamma AI. You will see Gamma AI Best Presentation. Go ahead and click onto that link. Now, if you do not have an account, it will prompt you to create an account. Go ahead, create yourself an account, then you will see a page like this. In here, under Gammas, you will see Create New AI. Click onto it, and these are the options that you can choose from. You can either generate by providing one-line prompt. You can either paste in some text if you have some notes or any stuff related with your presentation. You can use this. You can either create from template, and you can also import file or URL to create a presentation. In my case, I would like to go for generate. So let's go ahead and describe what we want. In my case, I would like to make a cool presentation for my marketing company. Now you can also select cards. Now it's only, limited to 10 cards for a free account. And you can also choose the theme, if it's going to be classic, or if you have a pro account, select pro. Now let's go ahead and select generate outline. It might take a while depending upon how long your prompt is. Once you do so, select generate. And by the way, you can totally edit these cards by selecting this three dot icon. And now you can see that it has created me a cool presentation for my marketing company. Now, this being the page, you can totally edit this by selecting this add notes button right here, or, simply edit this right here. Now, likewise, as you can see that this is pretty good. You can make changes in every step if you would like. Now, if you would like to, download this, what you have to do is select the share button. You can either copy the link and share it with your team members or simply select export. You can either export to PDF, whatever you would like. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.